Everybody, it's your friend Epic Legend. Today we're playing London Heist with the shooting. We're gonna be playing with the wireless controller, but we're playing the Mickey's shooting range. We are going to be start with troubleshooter because it is the first shooting range. It is the first shooting range, so we're gonna start with the first shooting range. I need to dodge these bullets. I'm gonna hit the bullets with my controller so they can pop. Let's start. I'm very terrible at the shooting range, but I'm gonna try to do good. So here we can kind of see which ones will give you the most points. The blue, if you shoot the blue one, you will get minus 100 points. But if you shoot the black ones, you'll get 100 points. But if you shoot the red part of the black ones, you'll get 1,000 points. If you shoot the bunnies, you get 500. If you shoot the bottles, you get 100. And if you kill the mannequin guy, you get 450. If you don't understand, once I've started, but you'll probably understand once I start playing. If I can see any enemy. These guys give me 350. If I'm in the red spot, he gives me 1000. The bunny just dodged me. So yeah, we just shoot. And if we get the stars, we can also get the stars, but I just missed. There are all the things. I almost shot the blue guy, but the blue guy is a friendly. If we shoot him, our points get decreased. I'm trying to shoot the star, but whenever I try aim at the star disappears. It's very annoying. These guys dodge so much. Whenever I have an angle on them, or whenever I see them, like when I'm trying to aim, they always just go away. It's so hard to hit them. Hit the bunny. I hit my bunny. Hit the bunny. Second star, third star, let's go. Kill this guy. No, hurt him. Got you. You can't hide from me, I can find you. Oh no, my gun always needs to reload. Where is everything? You get out, And pow, and pow, and pow, and pow. Stop trying to dodge me! You guys are too good at dodging. Oh my god. I have 26,000 points, which sounds like a lot, but it's actually not a lot. I've gotten a lot better. This will probably be a bronze medal. I got a good timer. I got a good time limit. Now if we shoot the can, we'll get extra points. No! It's reloaded. Okay, that was actually pretty good because we shot the can a lot. Select another range. At tire starter, I do terrible, but I'm gonna still try to do it. I'm gonna still try, but I do terrible in tire starter because it's very hard. Okay, come on, let's start the game.
Load up and we'll get crazy.
Now let's pick up this SMG. Let's pick up this gun. I can't pick this up. What's going on? There you go. This is a submachine gun. Look at this thing fire. It's so good. But there are like 50 billion friendlies. It's so easy to shoot them. And you have SMG. So it's harder. It's easier to hit the friendlies than in other stages. But you get points very quickly because you have SMG. I almost shot that friendly. Where are all the people? Sorry, rabbit, but I just had to do it. Yeet, yeet. Boom. No, get you, stupid tires. Come on. Yeet. You. Come over here. I've only got 12,000 points and I feel like I've shot everything. I've seen. I didn't see the paper, so I don't know what gives me the most points. Should I be shooting these rabbits? I don't know. Should I be hitting these zombies? while hitting these mannequins? I don't know. Let's go. No, these tires so hard to hit. It's probably because my aim is trash. They're not hard to hit, but my aim is just trash. I haven't even got it 1 star, and this star is actually really good because you have an SMG. You can just spray the car. You can, but I can't see any stars. Don't just get destroyed. Let's go. Don't hit any friendlies.
Say your prayers, Wabbit.
This is terrible. This was a terrible run. We have so much less than we had before.
What is it?
No, time was up. I only got 34,000, which sounds like a lot. And I pressed the X button to early again. Okay, next time I will not do it. Next time I will wait to see my points. I will wait to see my point. Dark and... Okay, we're gonna do shot in the dark. Now we're gonna do shot in the dark. Shot. L2, R2, I know. Let's go. Shot in the dark. Where's my hand? Look, whenever I move my hand, it teleports. I can't pick up the gun. I can't pick up the gun. There we go. This is a pistol. Why is not the pistol not automatic? I really wish the pistol was automatic. Like Fortnite. It's like a Fortnite pistol. It's not automatic. I really want it to be automatic. Why is it not automatic? Get that star, get that star, get that. This one, there are 5 stars which you have to collect. The bottles give you 1,000. So you should probably be shooting the bottles or the mannequins with, and you have to shoot the red parts of the mannequins. No, I missed that bottle. Where's everyone else that's friendly? I cannot shoot him, or I will decrease my points. It's only 1,000, but 1,000 is a lot because that's one. What do you call it? That's one bottle. That's one bottle, but that's also one shot if you shoot the target. I can't find anything. I think I don't know if I'm doing good or bad on time. I have no idea. And I missed every single shot. I knew it. No, headshot. Headshot, headshot. Okay, let's go. I have 21,000 points. 22. No, I just missed that bottle. I have 22,000 points. And yes. The bottles don't give you 1,000. What? They give you 500. I thought they gave you 1,000. I keep missing every shot. I'm panicking. No. That's all friendly. All friendly. Come on, from me. It's gone. That was not fair. I shot it up and then it got into the dark, so I could not see. I'm waiting for my points, and I got a bronze. That was my worst medal. Now let's select the one which which I'm the best at, tins and bins. I've played this a lot of times before. I have to try to get everything. Let's go. Okay. I'll just try pressing L2 and R2 because it's set to. Look, it's so wonky. My hand is so far. It's so hard to grab this pistol. I'm gonna grab this one. There we go. Switch hands. There you go. Easy. Where are all the tins and... Okay, I thought the game was lagging, but I have to shoot that. Oh, get up, pow.
shot.
Okay, so this is about recycling. Now I need to put this in their pot. Put that in there. Put that in there. Put that in there. Put that in there. Put that in. Put that in there. He just dodged my bullet. I don't know why, but he dodged my bullet. I headshot him. Let's go 10. Get that star. Why does everything actually avoid me? I'm not here to shoot you. I'm not. I only have 6,000. What? When you shoot the tent, you don't get any points. Okay. Actually, you do, but it's shown in the end. And okay. So we should be. No! No! Yeah, oh my god. Shoot the. Shoot. No! I have 30 seconds, which is a very limited time. I don't know why do these guys just keep dodging me. They're actually trained to dodge me. No! No! Yes, shoot that in. Recycle, recycle. Red ones are down. No! Two. 1 second. No, I shot it too early. Oh my god. I was so close to getting every single tin inside the bin. I had 50% accuracy. 22,000. That was my worst. But now we have a guest. Now who is the guest? It's gonna be my mom.
Hi everybody. So what game are we playing today?
We are actually gonna be playing the London Heist, and we're gonna play London Heist. We're gonna be doing the shooting night. So like me, you're gonna start at trouble. We're gonna start with troubleshooter.
Okay, fine. Let's see if I can beat your score. Let me hit the bullet first.
You don't even have to. Okay, now press X fly. Let's go. I think I got like 80,000 in this.
I'll give you bonus points for blasting in.
Okay.
Reload. Press R1 to reload.
R1 done.
Why you're left-handed? Why holding okay?
I don't know.
Why holding the gun in left-handed? You're not even left-handed. But I was only holding the gun in my right hand. Oh, it's harder than it looks, right?
Yes, it's harder than it looks.
So much harder than it looks. It was like, I mean, it was like with the motion
And-
controllers, it would be even harder. And we're playing with the wireless controller, and it's still hard.
Oh, they just disappear when you start to shoot them.
That's what happened to me. I keep lighting up my
You
shot.
start targeting them, you start targeting them and they just disappear.
I know. It's so annoying.
Yeah, you die, man. There's a rabbit, there's a bunny. I need to hit you. Sorry, bunny.
You got a long-eared fucker.
Why do they keep dodging?
Because they're new from the Matrix. You have learned from the Matrix.
Where are the guys now? There you are.
You can shoot the bottles for 1,000 points.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Oh, good.
It's very hard to shoot.
Headshot, bunny shot,
Yo, I thought you missed the bunny.
heart shot, headshot, chest shot. Okay. Why did you laugh?
You missed so many bullets.
Yeah, I did, didn't I? They just disappear on me. There you go. Come on.
You're doing so much better than me. On 37,000.
And where's the tin? The tin gives me extra points. Okay.
I think I had 50,000.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I think I beat your score.
Yeah, I won. Don't press the head.
Wait. Let's see. 56%. Silver.
I was 759 away from. If you got 759
Okay.
Your best is 150k in that select range.
Select range, tire
Tire
star.
starter, I think you do the best. Because I am not good at tire starter. I'm terrible.
Okay, let's see if I can beat your score.
I'm just terrible at games. I'm just bad at games. Let's go.
Let's go.
Get cracked.
What?
I'm able to find the gun so soon. Why were you able not to find the gun so soon?
I was able to find it, but I couldn't pick it up. My hand kept teleporting.
What's happening?
What? What is it? Why do you say what's happening? Don't you understand what's happening?
It goes to the left hand and then it goes to the right. I don't seem to understand.
You press L1, it goes to your left hand, and you press R1, it goes to your right hand.
Oh my god.
If you want to keep it in your right hand, if you roll with R1.
Bonus points.
The tire give you the most on the tire.
Okay, the tires give me the most points.
Yes. I'm thinking it's 1,000 to the million.
Find a chest.
Reload!
Got you, Rabby.
Yeah, I forget to reload.
He's doing like 50 times better than me. There is one thing left and I already have 25 kills.
23.
Yeah, so you now only 25 kills. It's 25 kills. Are you getting so many points so far?
God. Yes.
30, 47.
Oh, reload.
I'm pretty sure. You will 199.9% beat it. If you don't hit the right now, because one, because you have to see the can, two, because your accuracy is very good. You were trying to hit the can, you accidentally hit the other.
Did I? Oh my god. I didn't know that.
And then you thought you hit it because you thought you hit it, but it went down. It hit.
Okay, good. 48,000. Accuracy only 30%.
Oh, you hit friendly?
Oh.
Could be better, though.
Why you didn't get 3 stars? You didn't get the can. You only got 2.
That's why I didn't get the cans because I hit the friendlies.
No, because you got 2 stars instead of the 3.
Oh.
They're all 3 stars.
I'm not going to play shot in the dark. It's a little boring, so I'll go on with tins and bins, okay?
Okay. Okay, let's start hold options to the center. Now play.
Right.
Tens and bins, I got like 15,000. I was so close. I was that can. I was so close to getting all 30 cans inside the bins. I was so close. I got all the red ones and I was one away to get all the green ones.
Oh, I missed that.
I know.
Oh,
If you put the red ones in the green ones,
oh my god. The red. What happens if you put the red ones and the green ones alternately?
nothing.
You lose points, do you?
No, nothing like that.
Do you get extra points if you kill these people?
No, but your main goal is to hit the cans in the correct pins, because if you hit that, you get 1,000 extra points. At the end, you will get 1,000 extra points. If you put like the green can in the green bin, you will get 1,000 extra points. You were trying to hit that so much. At least at the start, 5 stars.
I'm not able to see the stars. Where are the stars?
In the corner.
Where?
They're with the sign.
Oh, there, I saw it.
Now they move to the other side.
Only 2 stars?
No, they move to the other side.
Oh my god. I can't even see the stars. Oh!
You took too long to find
Yeah, there. Did I miss it?
No.
It's bonus time.
Did I shoot it properly?
Yes. You have 16,000 already.
Is that better than your score?
I
Oh god, I shot the wrong one.
You shot a friendly?
No, I put the red one in the green bin. Where's the tin? Where's the tin? Where's the tin? Where's the...
Shoot the ducks.
Oh,
You know you can also shoot the ducks.
okay, does it say that?
Yeah, you can shoot the ducks.
Okay. So did I beat you? We need to go back to the scores to check if I beat you.
You got 2,000.
Bronze.
I think I got a silver. I think I actually got a silver. I think I beat you by 20,000. I think I beat you by 20,000. So,
Okay.
guys,